Okay, hello and welcome to our cooking show. Today we're going to be cooking churros.
The ingredients for churros are oil for boiling,
Un cup of agua, 3 huevos,
half a cup of butter,
1 cup of flour,
a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup powdered sugar,
and a fourth of a cup of regular sugar.
Alright, so first thing you need to do is get a saucepan of boiling water, take a half cup of butter, flour, and salt.
You put the butter in, guys.
Oh yeah, butter in.
So we put the butter in and let that melt. Put it on medium heat once the water is boiling. We should just
Not throwing into a mixer.
so.
Stir it. Just melt it and stir it. Come in. Okay. Alright, once it's melted, we'll add the cup of flour. No. Alright, now it's just about melted.
Just put it in.
Put the cup of flour.
Now we will add the cup of flour.
And the pinch of salt. I made it. And then stir it until it forms into a ball.
Return.
That's a ball.
Alright.
Once it's into a ball, let it cool.
Alright.
Smells like mashed potatoes.
No. And then, now we add 1 egg at a time.
We're supposed to.
Oh, it's fine.
We have to beat the egg while it's in there. Do this part next. Yeah. Next egg. Sorry. It's so hot. Next. And after the eggs are into the dough, we'll let them cool. You'll let them refrigerate overnight.
But we're just gonna do it for an hour.
Okay, so once you've cooled your churros overnight, the dough should have been in a ball, and then put it into a plastic bag and cut one of the corners so it looks like this. Then squeeze it into a pan filled with vegetable oil or a deep fryer. Just let that one cool.
Alright, cut it.
This should not take long for the churros to turn golden brown and be ready to eat.
That looks like a French fry. No longer. Still looks kind of doughy.
Where's the plate? And then your churros should look like this when it is done.
Alright, and then this is what they should look like when they're done.
So now we have to mix the sugar and the cinnamon. Once you mix them, kind of blend them all together and then put them on top of your churros. It's good.
Alright, I'll sprinkle it over the churro.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like so.
Now take the powdered sugar.
I'm gonna take the powdered sugar and sprinkle that on top so that it looks like that.
That's how you make a churro.
Okay, so now that your churros are done, they should sort of look like this with the sprinkled sugar and powdered sugar.
Muy delicioso.
Magnifico.